Croce and I needed to figure out how to keep our U.S. phone numbers when moving to Sicily without breaking the bank. In the past, we ditched our U.S. numbers and it was a nightmare because we were not prepared to deal with two-factor authentication with our bank, transfer company, and Amazon, etc. Retiring in Sicily means leaving Texas, where our 3 adult children and grandkids are. But Croce was born and raised in Sicily and has a lot of family members and friends there that we're looking forward to seeing. When we came back to the U.S. from Sicily, we were paying $50 a line or $100 a month for 2 phones on the Plus 55 plan on the T-Mobile network. The price has slightly increased since we got service. Then we discovered some information that made us smile. T-Mobile bought Mint Mobile, and Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network. So essentially, you can have the exact same service for a fraction of the cost. We went to Mint Mobile's website to compare prices between T-Mobile and Mint Mobile, and it really surprised us in a good way. It cost $15 per month per line for the same exact thing we were paying $50 per month per line. That's a whopping 70% less with Mint Mobile. Well, that's saving $840 per year on the U.S. side, but how does this work getting an Italian number in Sicily? In order to have no SIM restrictions, your phone will need to be paid off. It's possible that when you call your carrier about this, your carrier offers you a deal to waive any further phone payments to try to keep you as a customer. Beware. Make sure they will unlock your phone and not just get rid of the payment and keep you tied only to them. There are different ways to do this, but we definitely wanted to keep our U.S. numbers without parking them on Google Voice and using Skype, etc. So for us, we made the switch from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile, and Croce's phone only takes eSIMs, while my phone takes physical SIM cards and eSIMs. It was a very quick and easy process. We're all set on the U.S. side. What about cell phone service in Italy? Whether you're doing slow travel around the world or going to a specific country or region like us, you have a lot of options. One such good option for eSIMs is Airalo. It's all digital and done online. You download the app, choose your destination and package, install your eSIM, and activate your eSIM. It's a simple process. We plan to use the same company we used before, Mobile, which we were very happy with. We will be using eSIMs so we can just toggle on and off to switch between carriers and numbers. That way, we won't have to remove a physical SIM card when we need to get our code for two-step authentication for our bank or Amazon or something else. Most phones allow multiple SIMs, whether physical SIM cards and/or eSIMs, which gives great flexibility. Croce has been working a long time, and we're preparing for him to retire in several months and then move to Sicily. Here's our plan. We'll get an international 3-day pass with Mint Mobile. That way, when our plane touches down in Italy, we can call our family members who are picking us up from the airport. To us, it's worth the $10 to have guaranteed no stress due to communication issues when arriving. Then, in a day or two, we'll go online to get our eSIMs from Mobile. How this works is we'll use Mobile as our primary SIM carrier, and when we want to check messages on our U.S. numbers, we simply go into the cellular setting on our phone, toggle off the Italian primary SIM, and make our Mint Mobile number primary. We'll make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled and that we're near internet service to connect to Wi-Fi. It's completely free to use our U.S. numbers, and we can text, get two-factor authentication codes, and anything else we decide to use it for. Here's our cost breakdown. $30 a month for 2 U.S. numbers with Mint Mobile, €16 a month for 2 Italian numbers with Mobile, so the total cost for 2 U.S. numbers and 2 Italian numbers per month, unlimited, is $47.66, and this is including the exchange rate. That is an unbelievable value. What a great way to stay connected for cheap while you vacation, slow travel, or move to another country. If you're interested in Mint Mobile, a link is in the description box below, and if you like the content, please give us a like and subscribe.